Hi everyone, I'm Martina from the Instagram account Martina'S Mark, and today I am having my Palladio door installed. I am so excited. It's been a long time coming. We bought this house 5 years ago, so it's been on our to-do list since then, and I cannot wait. Thrilled with the colour combination. I went for an agate grey and a cream surround, and I wanted to maximise the light in my hallway, and the difference that it has made is just huge. So I'm delighted. It has made such a difference to the house. Thank you so much, Palladio, and thank you so much to Classic Windows and Doors for installing it. Bye.